So what's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? So it's me again. So today I'm gonna start doing a response video to a YouTuber goes named by Raven Queen. So Raven saw my live stream where I gave out my constructive criticism to her and her artwork. And right now she's all AssHurt and she's having a meltdown because she keeps on saying that I say something negative about her. When in reality, it wasn't. It was just constructive criticism purposes only. So let's get into the video, shall we?
I got something to say to you. I saw your stream and my recommended section of YouTube. Yeah. I saw you talking shit about one of my OCs.
Let me correct a few things that you're miscorrecting. I didn't say shit about your artwork. All I said this. Your OCs and your artwork suck and need some improvement. And that behavior of yours is unacceptable and terrible and horrible. And that behavior of yours you're using right now needs some improvement. I did not say anything negative about your artwork. That's criticism. Okay? If you can't handle criticism, then you should not be on the internet, then.
Listen here, faggot. My OC does not suck.
It does. It does suck. It looks like it went through the shredder. And I highly doubt anyone will be interested with your artwork.
It's way better compared to yours.
Oh yeah? Improve it. Look how I draw Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm gonna show you in a second. See? My drawing right there, I showed you, is way better than yours. Seriously, you're acting like you're top of everyone else, but in reality you're not. Is this whole entire thing is a competition to you? It's not.
Yours is just a shitty FNAF OC.
A shitty finds a phrase OC. Oh, boo-hoo. Who gives a fuck about people using different OCs?
That is wearing fucking headphones.
And what's the problem with that? What's the problem with me wearing bunny ear headset? What's the fucking problem with that? There's nothing wrong with my OC or nothing.
And you see me, and it looks like you can't even draw arms or legs or a body without using the square, rectangle, and circle tool.
And who gives a fuck about people using circle tools or rectangle tools? Who gives an actual fuck about people using it? I saw bigger YouTubers using circle tools. So what? What's the problem of people using circle tools? I draw way better than yours. You know how I draw? I use a fucking Apple pen. while you is using your fucking phone with your pair of fingers, while I use my iPad with a fucking Mac pen. Seriously, I draw way better than yours. If you look between yours and mine, mine's way better. Alright? So shut up.
That's pretty fucking sad that you rely on the square and circle tool to draw.
I don't rely on it. Number one, I don't rely on it. Number two, who gives a fuck about people using circle tools? Number three, there's one problem with you. You're just AssHurt just because I gave out my constructive criticism on you. It's not sad. It's sad that you make shitty artwork and you chase relevance and tag people just because they give out your criticism to your artwork. They say they don't like it. That's an opinion. But yeah, you're still attacking and targeting people who say things about your artwork. Seriously. You can't handle someone saying things about your artwork? Then leave the internet. Seriously, you're acting like everyone has negativity to you. Plus, you're 21 and you act like a little kid who can't handle people saying things about her.
So fucking pathetic. Shows you can't draw at all.
I can draw perfectly fine, thank you very much. Stop judging people's artwork. You're not better than anyone else can. Seriously, you're acting like... Seriously. You're not saying... Here's the thing. You're trying to criticize me, but you're failing to criticize me. Seriously, you can say negative things to me all you want. It's not fucking hurting me, and I'm not fucking scared of you. I'm like a heavy freight train plowing through things. Every time you throw something at me, I fucking break it automatically at 300 miles per hour. Seriously. Come up with something original for once, you fucking stupid.
Without assistance. How sad. That's an L right there.
Well, your artwork is a massive L. Let me tell you that.
So sad.
You're a sad motherfucker who can't draw shit. Your artwork looks like it went through the shredder. And then you had to use super glue to glue it back together. Seriously. You're calling people worse animators and worse artists, but yeah, you're the one dumb motherfucker who can't even draw a single thing right. Seriously, who's a hypocrite here? Who's the worst artist here? Who's the worst animator here? Oh wait, it's you.
You can't even draw without having to use a circle and square tools.
Like I said, who gives a fuck about people using circle tools and square tools? Who gives a fuck? No one gives a fuck about it. Seriously. I found that very sad that you're trying to criticize me, but you failed. So seriously, be AssHurt all you want, bitch. Seriously, if you can't handle someone saying things about your artwork and yourself, then you should not be on the internet if you can't handle criticism or hate.
If anything, your OC sucks.
My OC doesn't suck. Yours sucks 1,000%. Holy shit. Let's give a round of applause to the worst YouTuber who's a failure at everything.
And it doesn't just suck. It sucks elephant balls.
Say all these negative things about my artwork or me all you want. It's not fucking hurting me. Seriously, like I say, I'm a heavy freight train that goes up to 300 miles per hour destroying shit. I'm not fucking scared of you. Say all these negative things that you want. It's not helping.
So yeah. Watch what you talk shit about.
Oh, look at your artwork. I can talk shit all I want. Also, I can talk shit if I want to the assholes who disrespect me. Like you, Andrew, Bunny, and Aussie Tiger, aka Killer Creed.
Because maybe the person who you're talking shit about has art that's way better than yours.
Oh, really? My artwork is like 7 times as better than yours. Just look at yours compared to other people. How long you're gonna continue to suck off your ego and acting like that you're better than anyone else? Continue to suck your ego all you want. Continue to do your bullshit because no one is gonna give you attention. Seriously, you're like a fucking Rottweiler who's hungry for some beef, and that beef is attention. Seriously, are you gonna keep this drama up, or are you gonna shut the fuck up and leave these people you're harassing alone?
I don't use fucking circle tool or square tool to draw. I draw my own drawings.
Of course, you draw your own drawings. I draw my own drawings. Stop judging people. Quit forcing them to do shit. You're not their fucking boss.
Without help. So please, kindly stuff it and shut the hell up.
Look at this. Your profile pic looks like a fucking trash. Oh, what are you gonna do? Make more videos about me crying, screaming, moaning, reading because I gave out my criticism on you? Here's the thing. My constructive criticism on your videos and your artwork is bad and needs some improvement. And that behavior of yours right here in your mouth is unacceptable. And all that crap on you needs some improvement. So in conclusion, Raven, you need to shut the fuck up, leave these people that you're harassing alone, and start learning how to take criticism.